Hey guys, so today we have this nice Samsung Galaxy A56 5G and we're going to be giving a review on it and I'll tell you the specs and everything to it. So first, let's take out the box. So here is the phone itself, as you guys can see. Here's the phone. Turn it to the back. See, it's nice and smooth, clean glass. And now for the satisfying reveal. See, here is the nice, clean, smooth screen. 3 cameras. Let's put this back. Let's see what's inside the box. Take it out. Nothing in here. Here we have the pin. Oh. Take it out. We have instructions, I guess, to the phone. We have wires. Type-C. Type-C to Type-C. And then that is it in the box. As you guys can see, nothing else in there. Type-C to Type-C. And for the phone now, some specs. It was released on March 10th, 2025. Weighs 198 grams. Its thickness is 7.4 millimeters. Oh, and also it's really smooth on the edges. It's got nice power buttons and it's got like a nice handle rest it when you use the phone. It's Android 15 with 6 major upgrades, 1 UI 7. You can get from 128 gigabytes to 256 gigabyte storage, no card slot. Its main camera, 50 megapixels, and it records at 2160p. Its RAM goes from 6 to 12 gigabytes and 5000 mAh battery with 45 watts of wired charging. And if we go, it's got 3 cameras. The first main one has 50 megapixels, as you guys can see. 3 cameras. The main one here, 50 megapixels. This one 12 megapixels. This one 5 megapixels. And a selfie camera, this one here, it's 12 megapixels. It's got loudspeakers with stereo. As you guys can see, it's a really clean finish, really smooth edges. Put it back down. It's USB Type-C. As you guys can see, USB Type-C. You can put this. And also the other side, because it's Type-C to Type-C. And then it's got pricing. You can get around from £250 to £500, where it just depends where you get it from. It also has 45 wired charging. I don't think it doesn't have wireless charging. It has fingerprint on the display optical. So I'm guessing that's... Let me turn it on for you guys. Might not have battery though. Oh, Samsung Galaxy. Secured by Knox. Powered by Android. Oh, welcome. So after this you have to set up the phone, so I'll just leave it here. Oh, it's got 54% battery. That's cool. Oh, alright, put that back down there. But yeah, that's about it for this review. I hope you guys enjoy this. Maybe you'll think of buying it. Let's just give you guys one last look before we end it. Here's the front. It looks nice. It's got a clean edges finish. 3 cameras, nice smooth back. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Subscribe to the channel, look at our other videos, and share with your friends. Maybe they might buy some of the stuff we've reviewed. So anyways, bye guys.